everyone. A very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine? Yes, I am also fine. Thank you. Okay, now first tell me, what is your school name? Tell me. Say the sentence. I am telling you now. First, stand straight. Fold your hand and tell me the answer. What is your school name? Yes, my school name is Gokuldas Public School, Khargone. Very nice. And which class do you study? Which class do you study? Yes, you studied in LKG. You studying in LKG. Say, I am studying in LKG class. Okay, and now which period is going on? Which subject? Subject EVS. I am your EVS ma'am. So, which period is going on? EVS period. Today, we are going to start rainy season clothes. Rainy season clothes. Now, what is rainy season clothes? Whichever clothes we are using in rainy season. Okay, rainy season means monsoon. In monsoon, when rain is coming, what we are wearing? Raincoat. Use umbrella. Okay, frock also, gumboot also. Okay, so today we are drawing the rainy season clothes and things. Okay, and things, because umbrella is a thing. On your EVS notebook, write down the heading rainy season clothes and things. Okay. Okay, are you ready? First we will make umbrella. How to draw umbrella? First we will write the semicircle, make lines, and one stick. So this is umbrella. In rainy season we are using umbrella. Okay, you protect from rain, we use umbrella. Okay, then gumboot also wearing in rainy season. It is rainy footwear. So gumboot make, first we will make this type, then make standing lines, and okay, again make okay. So this is gumboot, are using in rainy season. Okay, now we will make raincoat. Okay, so raincoat like okay. So this is a raincoat. Raincoat also using in rainy season. raincoat, gumboot. In legs we are wearing gumboot in rainy season. Raincoat in wearing in rainy season and umbrella using in rainy season. So these are clothes and umbrella is a thing. So related thing in rainy season. Umbrella is also a rainy season thing. Then frock is also wearing in rainy season. So select frock. This type of frock wearing in rainy season. So all are the rainy season things and rainy season clothes. Okay, so all of you draw all the images using in rainy season. Umbrella, gumboot, raincoat and short frock, whichever using in rainy season clothes. Now one more thing, we will revise the colors name. You know about colors name and their spellings. Okay, I am rewinding. What I am writing here, tell me the spelling. R-E-D, red. Then what I am writing here, tell me. G-R-E-E-N, green. Red, green. Now tell me what I am writing here, okay. B-L-A-C-K. What is this? B-L-A-C-K, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Then what is this? O-R-A-N-G-E, orange color. Then B-L-U-E, blue. What I am writing here? B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Then what is this? Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. The color is yellow. So red, green. Red means, red color means red apple. Okay. Red rose. So red color is this. Green color. What is green color? Green color, leaves. All the leaves are in green color. So green color, leaves. This is green color. Then black. What is black color? Black color, your hairs, your eyes are in black color. Then orange. What is orange? Orange is in orange color. After blue. What is blue? Blue, sky. So sky color is also in blue. Then yellow. What is yellow color? Yellow color, banana. So this is yellow color. Now you introduce all the colors: red, green, black, orange, blue and yellow. Now you take out one color and fill in the clothes, rainy season clothes, and make colorful. Okay. Then your clothes like beautiful. So pick one colors in your crayon box. Pick red, green, black, whatever, and fill in the clothes. In umbrella, in gumboot, in raincoat and in frock. So these are the rainy season clothes and related things. You understand all the things? So you make and color it. Draw fast. After this, we'll start exercise related to seasons. Okay. All of you make pictures. Okay, so now exercise is circle the summer season clothes. What is summer season clothes? You circle the summer season clothes. Okay. On number 1, make the picture of shorts. Okay. Then hand gloves. On number 1, make the picture of shorts, then hand gloves, then t-shirt, then swimsuit, then muffler, okay. Make muffler here, then frock. Okay. This is frock. So now circle which image? Those are wearing in summer season. Okay, in your previous video we getting exercise for winter season. We circle the image of winter season. Now we circle the image of summer season clothes, whichever clothes we are wearing in summer season? That circle. So on number 1, what is this? This is shorts. So shorts also wearing summer season, yes or no? Yes, shorts are wearing in summer season. So this is summer season cloth, circle it. Then hand gloves. Hand gloves wearing in winter season. So no circle for hand gloves. Hand gloves is winter season cloths. So no circle. Now move to the next. This is t-shirt, cotton t-shirt. So cotton t-shirts wearing in summer season. Yes, this is summer season cloth. So you circle the t-shirt. Okay. Round neck t-shirt wearing in summer season. Then swimsuit. Swimsuit wearing in summer season. Yes, in summer season we are swimming. We are doing swimming, so use swimming suit. This is also swimming suit, so you circle the swim suit wearing in summer season. Okay. Then what is this? This is muffler. Muffler we are using in summer season? No. Muffler is a winter season cloth. So no circle for muffler. Okay. Leave it. Then next is frock. This is short frock. Frock also wearing in summer season. Frock is also wearing in rainy season and summer season also. So you circle the summer season cloth. So you circle the frock. The question is summer season clothes. Whichever using in summer season, we circle the image. So shorts is summer season cloth. Shorts we are wearing in summer season. When the time of, in your previous video, when the time we have discussed summer season clothes, what you introduce? Short top, then shorts, then t-shirt, then frock, okay, we are using in summer season. So you understand what we are wearing in summer season. So you circle the only summer season cloth like shorts. Hand gloves is not, because hand gloves wearing in winter season. So no circle the hand gloves. Then t-shirt are wearing in summer season. So you circle the summer season cloth. Then swimsuit also in wearing in summer season. Then muffler, no muffler we are using in winter season. So no circle. Then frock also wearing in summer season. So this exercise writing in your EVS notebook. What are the heading? Circle the summer season clothes. Okay. On the top line write down the heading. Then make all 6 pictures and circle the summer season clothes. Okay. In first, make the picture of rainy season clothes, then write down the question. Exercise related to season. Okay, so now you're doing both the things, rainy season clothes and this exercise in your EVS notebook. Okay, so done all the work, both the work. Very good. Now your lecture is over. Now we will meet in next lecture. So now bye. Have a nice day.